everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm sharing with you guys an unboxing of the Echo Show 5 smart device. So let's get right into it. So this has never been opened before, so we're seeing it firsthand. Ooh, it's very pretty. Okay, this is what the screen, oh, that's a nice fingerprint right there. This is what that looks like. So let's get all the stuff out, instructions, and then in the very bottom, okay, this one has a black cord, I like, so it has plastic on it, and then has the pen connector which connects to the back. Alright, so let's go ahead and get some ASMR over here. This is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. I think this is for the stand. I also got the stand with it and the smart plug. It was a combo deal that I got for Black Friday, so we'll go ahead and peel this off and open the stand. I think this retails for about $120 and I only paid $50 for it. Oh, yep. Okay, so then this locks on like so. Okay, there we go. See guys? There. Okay, well okay, it is magnetic, but you have to put it, you have to use this side to snap it on. Okay, so then that comes like that and you can tilt it up without making it fall off. Tilt it up, tilt it down. It's really nice. Alright, so now for the smart plug. So this is supposed to be able to make your devices, basically you can tell Alexa to do something and it'll turn off. So like you can get it to turn off the lamp. Once I get it set up, I'm going to demonstrate it. So yeah, but this is just what it looks like. It plugs into the wall. It has the 3-prong connector, which is good because that's more the modern standard now as opposed to 2-prong. So here's some more ASMR. This is what it looks like, and this will light up green whenever it's ready and activated. Alright, so that is what is covered in all the boxes. Now I'm going to show you how the smart plug works. So I will go ahead and insert that footage right now. Alexa, turn off first plug. Alexa, turn on first plug. Alright, so as you can see, the smart plug is really cool, and obviously I'm going to rename it once I get it completely set up, but it's a really great way to make your home a smart home. So with that being said, I'm going to end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. And let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about the Amazon Echo Show 5, and I will happily answer them. Thank you again. Bye.